Good day, everyone, and welcome to a new class. My name is Ms. Olade Suntimdayo, and today we are going to be talking about career opportunities in agriculture. What is career? Career refers to a means by which an individual earns a living, either in a regular job or through self-employment. People believe that there is no job in agriculture. It involves only farming, but there are lots of career opportunities in agriculture. Career opportunities like agricultural extension, agricultural economics, horticulture, veterinary medicine, soil science, crop science, lots of career opportunities in agriculture. But for this class, we're just going to take few of these career opportunities. The first one we're going to be talking about is agricultural extension. Agricultural extension deals with teaching and helping farmers, especially the small scale farmers, to improve their agricultural systems and practices. This involves teaching them new methods of farming. Like in the rural area now, in the rural area, most of these farmers only work towards their traditional means of farming. They only know their traditional means of farming. So an agricultural extension is help them, teach them new methods of farming and how to improve their cultural systems and practices. Then another field of study that we have in agriculture is animal science. In animal science, as we all know, is a scientific study of farm animals. Farm animals like our goats, cattle, our rabbits, and the person who studies these animals are called animal sciences. Under animal science, of we have lots of subdivision under animal science. We have animal production and management. We have animal nutrition. We have animal breeding and genetics. We also have feed composition, so that we're composing the kind of food the animal is to eat and everything. There are lots of fields under animal science. And another field we want to look into is soil science. So soil science is the study of soil, which covers the formation and properties of soil land and how the soils can be maintained. Looking at how we can maintain our soil, we all know of crop rotation, how crop rotation can improve our soil. As a soil scientist, there are a lot of things you can go into. Not only you can go into soil microbiology, like studying the microorganisms that is inside the soil, whether it can improve the soil or it can be detrimental to the soil. Then we have soil physics. You can go into soil physics, you can go into soil chemistry, you can also go into soil fertility and management. There's also soil testing. You can check if this soil is fertile or not, many fields. And so on. We're also going to talk about forestry. We all know that forestry is a branch of agriculture that deals with forest and its resources. It deals with the wildlife. Another that you can go into agriculture and forest biology, you can go into food science, go into lots of things under forestry. There are a lot of branches under forestry. We can also, another field of study, career opportunity you can also go into is also crop science. Crop science is a scientific study of how crops are grown. It's a scientific study of how crops are grown and how you can use those crops, whether they are ready for how crops grow, how crops can be produced, how you can breed plants by mixing some crops. You can go into horticulture. Horticulture is the planting of ornamental plants, like growing of ornamental plants. We can go into seed production, like producing of the seeds for the farmers that they will use to grow their crops. You can also go into agricultural engineering. Agricultural engineering refers to it deals with the building and repairs of agricultural tools, implements and machinery such as the planter, the plug, the tractor, every equipment or tools that are used in agriculture. And these people, they are called agricultural engineer. So they can help you repair your tractor repair and maintenance. They can help you in your wood products engineering. They can help you in your wood products and they can help you in your engineering management, like the management of your tools and everything. They can help in equipment services and lubrication. Agricultural engineering doesn't just focus on, oh, you want to repair this agriculture, you have to just repair this tool, you want to repair this tool. It also focuses on the building of these tools. Also focus on the building of these tools. Like I said, we have other fields of studies like agricultural economists. We have veterinary medicine. Veterinary medicine deals with how plants, how you can treat animals when deal with their sickness and everything. That's what veterinary medicine deals with, the medicine used to treat animals or farm animals. And when it comes to few career opportunities in our culture, everybody has limited themselves when it comes to our culture. That's our culture only based on just farming, germinating plants, and other things. But agriculture focus on many. You can get lots of job opportunities when it comes to agriculture. You can get you can deal with the crop science, like I said, lots of job opportunities in agriculture. But there are factors to consider when you are choosing this career, your skill set. Number one, your skill set. You can just sit and wonder, do I have the skill to go into this branch of agriculture? Do I have the skill? Can I do this? Can I do that? That's the first question you have to ask yourself before you want to say, oh, I want to go into agriculture. There's also a personal and lifestyle interest. You ask yourself, am I interested in agriculture as a whole? Am I also interested in going with this kind of work? Am I interested in the workload? Is this going to be my lifestyle? Will I enjoy this lifestyle? And those are part of the factors you should consider when you're choosing a career in agriculture. Job availability. You have to check, is this if the job is available, if the job prescription of what you want is available before you want to go into career. Because as time goes on, there are some jobs that are lost in the way because there are new jobs that are coming. So you have to ask yourself, this work I want to go for, is it available? And financial reward. You have to look at, how will this work pay me? What's the salary involved? Am I going to be earning a living through this work? You have to look at the profit and the loss, especially for some of us that want to start the business, want to start a career, self-employment, you want to start it on our own, sole ownership of that business. So you have to check, is the profit, are you gaining profit or you are losing? That's what financial reward is. So those are the factors you have to consider. You like, if you want to start this job, if I invest in this now, would it bring an income? Those are the questions you have to ask yourself. Those are the factors you have to consider when you want to choose a career in agriculture. I hope you all understand what career opportunity in agriculture is all about. And I want you people to attempt this question. State for career opportunities in agriculture and explain any two of your choice. And I want you to submit it to my email, dayo.oladeson@greenland.org. Thank you for listening.